we have reached our letter, which makes the mistake of ruining people's lives for a like. But if you watched Rachmanov's speech at this ceremony, you saw that Prosecutor General Yusuf Rahman, Interior Minister Ramazan Rahimzoda, and head of the K-Dam Yatimov simply stood up from their seats and looked at them. Rachmanov with wide-eyed, the union did not fail. Rachmanov failed to find out the names of any of them, who used likes as a means of huge profits on the one hand, pressure, threats, and insults on the other hand, arrests and arrests on the other hand. But if you watch the video again, you will see that Ramazan Rahimzoda and Yusuf Rahman took out their notebooks and picked up a pen to summarize Rachmanov's timely orders and instructions. But SS Yatimov did not do this. It was something else. He did not even have a notebook in his hand and did not make any notes or notes. After all, he knew perfectly well that the blade of Rachmanov's words was aimed straight at his face and heart. Because most of all, the KGB turned this into their powerful weapon. And now when Rachmanov said that, some authorities are initiating criminal cases against them without reason, and this action must be stopped.